It's absolutely beautiful down here. I'm down here in Piedmont, in Darling Harbour, and it is incredible. Look at these boats, it's incredible. Now, many years ago, I used to run my own, I used to work in an office, in a very horrible office in the Sydney CBD. I used to work in accounting, and I used to be an accountant actually. And I hated it, absolutely hated it. And having your own business, man, it's so much better than working in a cubicle, that's for sure. Like, you wouldn't get time off to just have a walk even, right? I had to wear a tie or what you call a neck strangler every day, a choker, and I didn't have any freedom, any really time for myself. And it's I'm so glad to not have to do that anymore, because what I wanted really wasn't money. It was, I mean, I was paid quite well being in accounting, but it was really the freedom. And that's really what, you know, what we do with, or what we all want is freedom. And you know, Amazon is just a business. I mean, there's a lot of businesses that can provide freedom for you if you're thinking about, you know, getting something started. It doesn't always have to be Amazon. Amazon is a good, easy business, relatively easy business to start, because you're leveraging Amazon's platform. You still got to go out there and find products and find suppliers and leverage it and work and learn how to sell it. But in comparison to a lot of other businesses out there, it is relatively easy. You don't have to hire employees, you don't need shop fronts. There's a lot of products to be easily found online these days. Yeah, very easy, very basic. So get something started. Now, 2020, even though it's been a pretty, to be honest, a pretty crappy year, there's still time to get something started. And it has been horrible for some people. You know, some people have lost their jobs. Businesses are going bankrupt. A lot of retail stores out of business. Yet Amazon is thriving. Amazon is doing incredibly well. And if I was going to start over, and it was this time, and I wanted to start a business, I would actually personally choose Amazon. I think it's a very good business to get, very low overhead business. But like I said, it is a business, and there is work involved in getting it started. Have a great day. Just wanted to share this bit of advice for you, because that's what people want. They want freedom, and you're probably the same. You probably know how I feel, where you're working for somebody else, overpaid or underpaid and underappreciated. It's beautiful, huh? Lovely. Look at that. It's just so nice. Have a great day. Stay safe.